Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be unboxing an inflatable bed. But before we continue, please I'd like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now what this man is unboxing now is an inflatable bed. This inflatable bed is good and nice for those who doesn't have enough space in their homes. You can buy this bed. What you see like this is bed. Watch this video carefully and see how he's gonna use this bed. This is an inflatable bed and it's good for both students, bachelors, spinsters. Have you seen? Just watch the video carefully and see what I'm saying. See it for yourself. Wow, this is so magical. Please like this video and don't forget to hit the subscription button for more.